Sriram Sagar Project was constructed on Godavari River near Pochampad village in Nizamabad district during the years 1964 to 1972. The storage capacity at the construction time was 112 TMC. At the time of formulating proposals, the yield assessed at 75% dependability is 196 TMC on Godavari and 12 TMC at LMD through Maner, totaling to 208 TMC. The proposed ayacut is 9.6 lakh acres in Stage 1 and 4.4 lakh acres in Stage 2. Due to siltation, the present capacity of Sriram Sagar Project is about 80 TMC only. In the upper reaches of Godavari Basin, that is in sub-basins G1, G2, G3, G4 and G5, several minor, medium and major projects were constructed by Maharashtra state government. Added to this, due to deficiency in rainfall, the expected yield is not being realized. If we observe the inflow for the last 25 years, more than 70% of the time, the yield realized is less than 50 TMC against the designed yield of 196 TMC, and yield at Maner is almost nil. Further, by construction of Bubbly project by Maharashtra government, the position has become even worse. Added to this, many lift irrigation schemes are proposed from Sriram Sagar Project reservoir to upland areas of Nizamabad and Adilabad districts. It is seen that lifts are proposed for 830,000 acres ayacut from Sriram Sagar Project reservoir. In addition to this, 220,000 acres ayacut under Sriram Sagar Project up to kilometers 115.000 is also to be irrigated by gravity with existing canal system. The ayacut between kilometers 115.000 to up to LMD reservoir is about 250,000 acres, which is proposed to be irrigated from Pathipak reservoir, also known as Lakshmi Narasimha Sagar, after its formation. Till that time, this 250,000 acres also to be irrigated from Sriram Sagar Project. By seeing the above situation, whenever there is shortage of water, it is proposed to backlift about 60 TMC in 2 months to Sriram Sagar Project from water of Kaleshwaram Project. For backlifting, 4 cross regulators are selected for keeping water in FFC prism. About 2 TMC per day of water is proposed to be lifted from Sripada Yellampally Project through packages 6, 7 and 8 to flood flow canal at kilometers 99.200. By operating existing cross regulator at kilometers 102.025, water can be stored in flood flow canal to its full depth of 9 meters. When water depth is 9 meters at kilometers 102.025 regulator, the depth of water at location of cross regulator at kilometer 77.450 is about 5 meters. First lift is proposed at the location of cross regulator at kilometer 77.450, by which water can be lifted upstream so that the flood flow canal is filled up to 9 meters depth. Second lift is proposed at kilometers 53.000, by which water can be lifted upstream of proposed regulator at kilometer 53.000. Third lift is proposed at existing cross regulator kilometers 27.984, by which water can be lifted to the upstream of the regulator. Fourth lift is proposed at kilometer 0.100, that is, downstream of the head regulator, by which water can be lifted to Sriram Sagar Project reservoir. In this system, existing flood flow canal is proposed to be utilized. Only a total of about 60 acres of land is required for constructing 4 pump houses. At each pumping station, the lift is about 10 meters, thus lifting water to a total height of 40 meters. For each lift, about 45 megawatts power is required. Therefore, the total power requirement is about 180 megawatts for 4 pumping stations to transfer 1 TMC of water per day to Sriram Sagar Project reservoir. By keeping water in FFC prison, the lands in between FFC and Kakatiya Canal to an extent of about 1 lakh acres also can be irrigated. Therefore, we can irrigate an area cut of about 14 lakh acres in total.